about it. Means suppose I have a flat file, means notepad, or may you have too many Excel files. So how to connect that? It may be the SharePoint, maybe the on your desktop. So how to connect that? SharePoint have a different folder option, and here we have flat file. Like suppose in for each folder I have one, two, three files. I want the three files data to come in the Power BI, and the how to do that. Either the one way that we need to export each file. So like we have 100 files, you have to create 100 data set. This is not a great way to do that. So Microsoft provide the facility to use the folder option. See this, go to the source, transform data, then source, new source, then click on more option. After that, you say there is a here file option. Click on folder. It may be Excel, it may be whatever file it is. It will automatically get that. So click on folder. After that, provide the folder path. Also, you can browse it from here as well. So I'm not going to browse it because I have everything. I already opened it. After that, paste here and click on OK. That's it. And now, if you want to click transform, you can transform it. But I wanted to combine and transform data together. So sorry. So now we have data is transformed, and automatically data is appear along with the parameter and everything. It appears. Say this. No need to do anything. Automatically things will be appear, and that's really going to help us because we don't have to waste our time. Simply just click that and get it done. If you wanted to manage yourself, then you can click on here and remove whatever you don't feel like good. See this now. You can check it, even your file name, extension, everything is there. So you can check it, maybe change it, whatever you want. You can do that. You can model the data as per your requirement. Paste. Now click on apply. So you have a 10 file, 100 file to a Power BI. Don't care. Might be take a few minutes, but it will upload it in Power BI within few seconds. And this way will save a lot of time. Now see this data is appear here. First, for each loop, for each loop, everything is appear. You can check it. So this way you can easily export data from multiple, so maybe Excel, Notepad, whatever it is. You can select in the group, and really it will going to help you to reduce your time. And if you like this video, please hit on subscribe and like button as well. And if you have any question, comments, so please share your comments. It's really appreciated. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.